Every Stately Men box comes with a personalized letter. And in this box, wait, I can do better. Now let's get to the review. This is actually an ambassador box. I'm a brand ambassador for Stately Men, but I've also done reviews of their Luxe package, and I'm gonna do a few more reviews. Actually, I'll do a review every month of their Regal boxes. I'll have a few of those coming in next month. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below or subscribe and look out for those videos. And here's a Stately Men's outfits review. This box included a paisley gray downy slim white pant. I always struggle to say these, so bear with me. New York Bowie straight fit chino pant. Also has Stacey Adams long sleeve dress shirt, paisley and gray peak blazer, and a black strap watch. Some of these boxes also include a belt. This one did not, so that's why I'm not wearing a belt in this video. I didn't want to give you the illusion of something that was included in the box that's not. The no-show socks are also mine. Those didn't come in the box. Also has a micro dot short sleeve shirt and Madden shoes.